Hi there, my name is Crystal Hashhagen. I'm a student at University of Advanced Technology, and this is the presentation of my teach back for what I have comprehended so far. And so in the presentation, I wanted to discuss the Superman comic that we had been titled, and it is so far what I thought was the best one out of everything. Mostly because the art and the colors make you actually look at everything inside the picture, and there's a lot going on. They talk a lot throughout everything so that you can actually understand the story that goes on. And I love how they make inside of the sections where you can see Superman running on lines, making it almost look like a tightrope through the city. That to me is really cool, and it takes a lot of time and depth into especially art to find a way to make people understand the depth. So then here I wanted to show some more pictures of it where you can see the shading is phenomenal in a lot of the pictures, and you can also see a lot of the colors, again making it to where you want to look at everything, see what is exactly going on in that picture. It'll fully grasp everything of what is going on, and that to me is a big deal because you can get a lot from the pictures. You can also get feeling where you don't even have to use words sometimes, where you have the car hitting a rock over here on your left. Oh, my left, your right probably, but it's hitting the rock, and you can see it's a big impact because it's the center of the picture. They have color of the black and the red showing that it's actually impacting the rock, and you have Superman holding it up. It's really awesome to me how much you can say with just pictures, and it doesn't have to be colors or words involved either, but the colors impact it very much so, involving it too. Same here. I wanted to just make sure that everyone got to see, again, Superman throwing the guy into the wall. You see the impact and how he is effectively hitting or throwing that gentleman into the wall. Or even over here where he's going through the door. So yeah, in conclusion, the comic is full of colors. They are extravagant and outstanding to not just the direct eye, but it helps people to understand what is going on or what feelings he wanted you to go through and feel. I hope that you all enjoyed my presentation of my understanding of everything. And again, I love the art of this. It's phenomenal.